Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is somewhat of a sad day. We are about to road trip to Ames, Iowa, and the trusty Bronco is getting traded in on a new vehicle. It's been about 3 years that we've had the Bronco. We were one of the first in our town to have one back in 21. It's been an awesome, fun car, but it's time to move on, go back to something with a little bit more luxury. So we're staying in the Ford family, but we're actually going to do our first Lincoln. We're going to do a Lincoln Aviator. So we've had a few Explorers in the past and we really like those, so this will just be a step up in luxury, and we'll stay with the Ford family at least. But let's go for one last walk around here on the Bronco before we head for Ames. Well guys, if you've been part of the channel for the last 3 years, you've seen all the different things we've done along the way to the Bronco. We did the 2-inch lift to start off with because this was a base Big Bend model. We did the 35-inch Goodyear tires that come on the Sasquatch package, and then we did the bronze VenomRex 17-inch wheels, which I think go really nice with the Cactus Gray. Did a couple of different decals. We did the hood cowl decal. We did end up adding these down here to kind of clean that up a little bit, little rock protectors there. But yeah, overall it's been a really fun car, guys. If you've been in the market for a Bronco, they're definitely fun. They just don't have the luxuries of the higher end SUVs. You don't get like the memory seats. Heated seats in the base models aren't even an option. You got to go up pretty high to get that. But yeah, just a quick walk around on the Bronco, and we're gonna head to Ames here, and then we'll check in once we get there. Alright guys, we've made it to Ames Ford Lincoln, and we are about to go take a look at our new Aviator. The Bronco is about to be gone. Sad day, but we're going to be riding home in luxury, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, there it is, all shined up. Black, not my favorite color, but it's gonna be hard to keep clean, guys, but right now it looks pretty good. Got the 20-inch wheel option here, but really digging it. We're gonna be riding in luxury. Check out the inside here. I really like this interior, guys. It is so nice. Having all the controls up here, and then the screen. And look at all the space. The captain's chairs in back. This is going to be an awesome car, guys. I'm excited to drive this home. But yeah, should be pretty fun. Alright guys, we're going to go do some paperwork, get this thing all transferred into our name, trade over the Bronco. Kind of sad to see that go still, but we'll probably be back in a Bronco. Probably get a 2-door next, I think, and do a nice lift on it with some big tires and wheels. So eventually be back to a Bronco, but for now we're going to switch it up with a little more luxury. Alright guys, we're in the dealership here. They got some sick stuff. This is an S1 Saline race car. Pretty awesome. And then the spec on this Saline is pretty awesome. That silver with the yellow accents. I really dig that. Oh, and it's definitely the manual. We gotta have that. Too bad they don't put the Tremec in these things. I've never heard of this, guys. A King of the Hammers Bronco. I have never even heard of this thing, but it's pretty badass. Carbon fiber fender flares. I really dig it. It's pretty awesome. Now, an Aston DB11, man. We could trade the vet on this thing. That'd be another level, wouldn't it? V12. I really dig that. There's the new Aviator in the background, guys. We're about done here at the Ames Ford Lincoln dealership. So the reason we drove all this way for the Aviator to trade the Bronco in is they had a crazy APR on this thing. It was 0% for 60 months, plus $5,000 off sticker on an Aviator. We just couldn't pass it up. In this market, you can't even get, it's hard to get stuff for under 6% interest right now. So it was a crazy deal, 0%. Had to do it. We'll be back in a Bronco someday, 2-door probably. But thanks for tuning into this video. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Like I said, we'll have a walk around of all these performance cars here at Ames Ford. It should be pretty cool. Thanks for watching.